Ever wonder why some flowers are purple while others are white? Or why human traits like eye color and height vary so much? Let's dive into the world of Mendelian genetics. Last time we talked about Gregor Mendel, who discovered that traits are passed down from parents to offspring through dominant and recessive alleles. Alleles are different versions of the same gene. To predict how these alleles combine, scientists use a tool called the Punnett square. For example, crossing two heterozygous pea plants for flower color can yield offspring with purple or white flowers. Since the purple allele is dominant, only one copy is needed for purple flowers. The white allele is recessive, requiring two copies for the white phenotype. But genetics isn't always that straightforward. Take incomplete dominance, for example. Incomplete dominance is a heterozygous genotype that produces a phenotype that is a blend of both alleles. In snapdragons, a red flower allele isn't completely dominant over a white one. When combined, the result is a pink flower, a blend of both. Humans, too, showcase complexities like these. The hexagene, when mutated, can lead to Tay-Sachs disease. Interestingly, carriers with one functional and one dysfunctional allele show reduced enzyme activity, but they remain healthy. Another layer to this genetic puzzle is penetrance, the likelihood that a gene will express its trait. More specifically, the definition of penetrance is the proportion of how often the possession of an allele results in an expected phenotype. Some alleles are more penetrant than others. For genes like BRCA1 and BRCA2, which are linked to breast and ovarian cancers, having that mutation doesn't guarantee the disease due to factors like environment and lifestyle. Most human traits are polygenetic, influenced by multiple genes. Hair color, for example, isn't dictated by a single gene but a combination, which include MC1R and TYR. This interplay results in the vast spectrum of colors that we see. Human genetic variation is complex, and increasingly, we are learning that using bioinformatic approaches that consider behavioral, environmental, and genetic information can help us better understand public health and the human experience.